Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we'll be learning about orthoptera. Orthoptera insect. So what is the meaning of it? We can find ortho means straight and ptera means wing. We all know that ptera means wings. So here we can find that it is referring to a straight winged insect. We can find many straight winged insects around all over the world. For example, short-horned grasshopper, long-horned grasshopper, field cricket, mole cricket. Then let's come to the characteristic of it. First of all, to remember the characteristic, we have divided the parts of it into 8 segments. So to remember this segment, we can make a rhythm of it. Actually, it is made by me. So I have made it like SB, MAE, that means shob, MAE, wings, leg, MLA. That means I am actually indicating that when a ma, that means mother, ma-e. Actually, mai, it is called in the village. Mother is called by their child as mai. Shob mai, that means all the mothers. All mai, when they are become MLA, we're actually posting them to MLA. We are actually considering them. They have been gain the position of MLA, and after that their wings are in the leg. That means they are flying in the sky and their wings are in the leg. So just like it, we can find the S. S refer to the size of the insect. B means body. M means mouth part. A means abdomen. I means eyes. Wings mean wings, leg. M means metamorphosis. L refers to leg and A refers to antenna. So here we can find that. So let's come to the characteristics. We'll find that body is elongated. When we'll see any short-horned grasshopper, any sort of grasshopper, we'll find that the body are elongated. Then come to the mouth part. They are actually chewing type. That means they are cutting the parts of any plant or any leaf. They are actually chewing. They are actually using their mouth parts to chew it. Antenna, that is filiform. Actually, its form is referred to this. This is called filiform. It is actually segmented. It is divided into many portions. I can see this into the grasshopper. Whenever we see any sort of grasshopper, we remember this filiform. Antenna is present right into their head, right over their head. And let's come to the eyes. They have actually large compound eyes. What's referred to large compound eye? This means they have a very large eyes, and they are covering most of the part of their head. Then after that, we come to the wings. What's referred to the wings? Wings are used to fly. They have 2 pairs of wings, that are front wings and the hind wings. Let's come to the front wings. The front wings are elongated. That means they are very long. Then refer to the hind wings. Many veins. That means they have many curved line or straight line veins present in it. Somewhat thickened. Then mean they are sclerotized. And referred to as tegmina, that lie straight. What refers to tegmina? tegmina, we'll find the tegmen. Its singular form is tegmen. A sclerotized forewing serving to cover the hind wing in the grasshopper and the related insect. That means it is sclerotized. That means it is, thickened. And the forewing is thickened and it is covering the hind wing in the grasshopper and many related insect. Whenever we find this sort of insect, we refer that the forewings are called the tegmen or tegmina. Then let's come to the hind wings. Hind wings are membranous and many veins is also present right over here. Then at the rest they lie fan-wise beneath the front wings. That means they are when they lie at the resting time, their front wings are covering the hind wings. That's referring to this. Then let's come to the legs. Hind wings are modified for jumping type. Whenever we find any grasshopper, then we can see that the hind wings are jumping. All legs are not using for jumping, but just only the hind wings are modified for jumping. Then let's come to the abdomen. Abdomen is 11 segmented. Whenever we see any grasshopper, they are 11 segmented. At the 11th segment, genetic structure is present. And what is the genetic structure? It is actually the structure that is genetically used, and such as ovipositor and tympanal organ. Sorry guys, we have to correct this, tympanal. It is M. Ovipositor. So here you can find that sometime it is long. It can be long. Sometime it is short and sometime it is more or less hidden. It can be long, it can be short, and it can be more or less hidden. Ovipositor. Then come to the tympanal organ. It is the organ that lie on the first abdominal segment or at the base of the tibia. So let's come to the tympanal organ. Here we can find that this is the tympanal organ right over the tibia, at the base of the tibia. I'm not showing it at the abdomen point. In many insect we'll find the tympanal organ is present at the first segment of the abdomen, but here you can find the tibia. At the base of the tibia, the tympanal organ is present. So let's come to the metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is totally incomplete. This means the nymph and adult have tiny little change, because they don't possess any wings, but they do possess wings at the adult time. So we don't find that much difference as we see many difference right over the complete stage of metamorphosis. It is occurring in the the caterpillar, butterflies, we can see. So what is the economic importance of it? Most of them are plant feeders. Actually, they are plant feeders. They are feeding on the leaves. Many plants are affected by it, and some of them are important pests for cultivated plants. Because it is important, because we all have to know that the orthoptera are very important pests for the cultivated plants. Because as we cultivate plants and we know the chewing type are orthoptera types, orthoptera orders. So when you find any leaves are affected by any sort of they are actually maxilla, mandible are used for chewing. When you find this type of symptom right over the leaves, then we can emphasize that, then we can consider it that the plant is affected by the orthoptera insect. So some of them are predaceous. That means they are eating the other insect. The sort of actually benefiting us. They're actually helping us to get rid of other insect. And some are scavengers, some are omnivorous. What is the meaning of omnivorous? They're actually eating all sort of foods, they can take all sort of foods. They don't have any problems of it. So I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you do have any question, feel free to ask me. Assalamu alaikum.